Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm here today to not show you anything skincare related, but one of my favorite hobbies is to exercise a lot and just do a lot of outdoor sports. I know you would not think I'm the type, but I am. So I like to go camping sometimes. I like to do hiking. And recently I just really got into rollerblading because of this event I went to, and I decided to purchase this really cool rollerblades. And I'm also very into Hello Kitty and different types of like animation. As you can see from my shirt, I have like Disney on. I really like cartoons, so you can say I'm a big adult child or child adult. So this is the collection. It's called Hello Kitty Exclusive by Dollskill. So I do like to shop there a lot because they cater to things that I love to do and I need. And we're gonna go ahead and unbox it together. So this is the Hello Kitty box that it came in. And when you open it, ta-da! How absolutely adorable are these? I'm talking. So I really like the print that they have for the Hello Kitty. I like that it's white. And this bow is super, super duper cute. So when you put them on and you rollerblade, it's actually kind of fun. So these are a size 7. And I think they're a lot of fun. So I'm going to go ahead and try them on for you so you can see how they fit me. Okay. So this one looks like the right foot. So we're going to go ahead and try to go in. And there you go. I'll go ahead and put the other one on. Excuse my toes. But how adorable. And they're super comfy too. So I go to this rollerblade rink and I really can't wait to wear them because they're so freaking cute. So if you're into rollerblades, I really think you should purchase these. These are from Dollskill. They're about $60 and I think they're on sale, so you should definitely run there and grab these while they're still on sale. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more lifestyle videos and things that are of interest to us. Thanks so much for watching.